Hello everyone, this is Manipulator today with this Zeiss Ikon lock. It's a really big, heavy lock with the Born shackle, and this is the key that came with it. It's a 6-pin lock, 1, 2, 3 here in the valley. 4 and 5 both seem to be max cuts, and then this very high cut 6th pin. All right, let's see what it takes to get inside this. And if we can get inside this, let's have a look inside. I'm going to use this tensioner that fits quite well, and this multi-pick PN 0.5 and 0.6 millimeters. All right. Nothing on 1, 2 is binding, click there, nothing on 3, 4 is binding, little click on 4, I think that felt better. Okay, let's start from the front. Nothing on 1, 2 is binding again, dropped. I think we got it back. 1, 2, 3, nothing. 4 feels good. Another little click. I think that was 4 as well. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 6. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. 2 came back up. And we got into a little bit of a false set. Nice. Nothing on 1. 2 feels good. Little something on 3. Nothing too exciting though. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Now we're 6. Can't feel anything on 6. Back to the front. 1 seems to be binding now. Counter rotation. I think we got that. Feels good now. Little click on 2, nothing major. Nothing on 3. 4 feels sad. 5 feels sad. 6 is binding now. Counter rotation. Couldn't set it. Let's try that again. I think we got 6. Nothing else on 5. Let's start from the front. Nothing else on 1. Nothing on 2. 3 is binding tightly now. Counter rotation. I'm not really on top of it. Try that. Again, slipping on that one. Come on, don't be shy. There was 3. I think we lost something else. We just check everything, nothing on 1. Nothing, 1 came back up. Nothing on 2. That was 3 now, still loose. But 1 came back up. Now we got 1 and 2 and 3 came back up. They're having me play spool ping pong here a little bit. I think I overset 3 there. Just letting go a little bit. Whew, and we're open. That wasn't easy at all. I'm really happy we recovered the last one there. Now, how are we going to... Yeah, okay. We can do that. Let's get inside and have a look. I think I'll fast forward this part so you're not getting too bored with me here. Whew, all right. This is what we got out of this. As you can see, cutting it through that end wasn't all that hard after all. We've got a long spool, a short spool, another short spool, a long spool, which looks like it's made from iron or some kind of stainless. It's magnetic. So is the driver, sorry, the key pin and driver pin both are stainless steel. Of course the springs are steel, and so is my shim. And the last spool in the last chamber is a steel variety as well. So lots of drill protection in this lock. Well, all the pins seem to be attracted to the magnet, even though these don't look like they are some kind of steel. Standard in chamber 2, just showing off that my magnet works. And another long spool in chamber 1. Well, they gave me lots of trouble, and I hope I can put this lock back together without ruining everything. There's a little detent at the back of the lock that prevents you from over rotating it and helps repinning, because if you turn it all the way, you can fill the chambers without any trouble. So there's that. This little dent is just to make sure that the E-clip has some place where it can reside. And otherwise, there's nothing particularly special about this lock. Apart from it being a really difficult pick, I suspect that is due to the huge differences in the bitting between these two very short pins and this long pin in the back that really gave me a lot of trouble. All right. Well, now the key corresponds with the bitting. Thank you so much for watching. That's all from me today. I hope I see you in the next one. Like and subscribe if you please. And Manipulator says bye-bye.